Bybit is the most trusted crypto exchange in the world. Starting crypto journey with Bybit exchange is your best decision. In today's video, I will show you how to create Bybit account password. Maybe you are stuck in creating Bybit account password. So don't worry, I will guide you to set the password. The password should be between 8 to 128 characters and include one uppercase and lowercase letter and one number. After entering the password, click on Referral Code. The referral code is 𝐒𝐚𝐫𝐿𝐿𝐶𝐾. You must enter this code to get maximum crypto benefits and save trading fees. After filling the all details, tick here and click on Sign Up button. Then a 6-digit verification code will come on your email. Enter that code here. Welcome to Bybit. We will complete the identity verification process later. Now tap on Skip. Guys, you have received a massive welcome bonus. Now go to Reward Hub. Complete the task step by step to enjoy the welcome bonus. For example, if you complete identity verification within 4 days of account opening, then you will get 20 USDT, which you can use to pay trading fee. Deposit and trade $100 within 15 days to get 30 USDT. By completing multiple tasks like this, you can enjoy massive welcome bonuses. Friends, now you can verify your account with your national identity card, passport, or driver's license. I have already made a video on this topic. I will provide the YouTube video link in this video description. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more update.